Hey guys, welcome to my April 2025 recap. There's 3 events that happened this month, and the first was I helped my sister with her first vendor event. Then I went to the San Antonio Book Festival, and then I closed the month out with another event of my own in Kerrville, Texas. I hope you enjoy.
So we're going to go to a book festival, the San Antonio Book Festival, and it's going to be fun, I think, unless it's like some of the other vendor events and they've already started shutting down 2 hours early. We'll see. And I also hope that the screaming child in the parking garage isn't coming over on the camera right now. So yeah, let's go have some fun. That is the Central Library, which I've actually never been to. And I think I do have a library card, a digital one anyways. I could probably go in it. Look at this cute pen I got. Because I write Texas books. It's perfect. I think I got that from the Trinity Press book booth, so that's awesome.